Hi everyone, good morning. In today's class, we are going to see about welding defects. So, what I am going to do today, I am just going to say what is welding defect. I will be telling about different types of welding defects that usually occurs during welding. So, what you are going to do today? It's going to be a self-learning activity class. You are going to do everything. I am just going to give the outline and you are going to do everything. Okay. So I just mentioned everything here. You need to do some research or do browsing, refer any authorized textbook, refer journals, etc. You're going to submit an assignment with a proper content, proper diagram, causes for each and every welding defect, and remedial action to avoid welding defect. Causes means what is the cause for that welding defect, and remedial action how you can prevent that welding defect. Okay. Your assignment should contain, these are the points your assignment should contain: definition of each welding defect. So if it's a weld crack, you have to define what is weld crack. You have to draw the diagram for each welding defect. So you have to draw the diagram for weld crack. What is the causes of welding defect? So if you're going to see about weld crack, you are going to write about the causes of weld crack and remedial action to avoid welding defect. So if you're going to see about weld crack, you're going to try the remedial action to avoid that welding defect. So these are the points you're going to write in the assignment. So next you have to follow the above pattern for all types of welding defect. There are many types of welding defects. It can be differentiated as external welding defect and internal welding defect. And my main request is please don't copy from your friends. I just copy from the internet or anything else. Each and everyone should search all the contents on your own, gather the contents, read the contents, understand the contents, and then write it in your class notebook or A4 sheet. Okay. I want you to learn and understand about all the defects, and you can write in your own words without changing the content. I don't want you to stick to the internet or any book. I don't want. Just read it, understand it, be clear, and then you can write the content on your own. Okay, you can write the causes on your own, but it's not change the definition. Am I right? So diagram you have to see on internet, textbook, anything. See the diagram, understand about it, and then draw it. Am I clear? So these are things you are going to do today. It is a self-learning activity. I am not going to teach anything. I am just going to tell the outline and what to do. Okay, I am just going to tell you the instructions. I have told you the instructions, and you are going to do the rest today. Okay, generally what is welding defect? Okay, what is defect? Okay, generally a defect is dissimilarities or irregularities. That is called as a defect. Okay, what is welding defect? What is welding defect? Welding defects can be defined as the irregularities formed in the given weld metal due to wrong welding process or incorrect welding patterns, etc. Wrong welding process means if you used a different process for welding. Okay, so welding defects can be defined as the irregularities formed in the given weld metal due to wrong welding process or incorrect welding patterns, etc. The welding defect may differ from the desired weld bead shape, size, and intended quality. Welding defects may occur either outside or inside the weld metal. Okay, it can occur outside the weld metal or inside. So those are occurring outside is called as external weld defect, and those are occurring inside are called as internal weld defect. So these are the types of welding defects. Okay, there are two types: external and internal. Okay, welding defects occurring outside is called as external welding defects. welding defects occurring inside is called as internal welding defects. So under external welding defects, it is weld crack, undercut, spatter, porosity, overlap, crater. Under internal welding defects, it is slag inclusion, incomplete fusion, necklace cracking, incompletely filled groove, or incomplete penetration. So these are all internal welding defects. So what you are going to do now, so take a A4 sheet of classic notebook. Okay, first write what is welding defect general. I have said about that. Just write welding defect and then write external welding defect. First one is weld crack. Write about the definition for weld crack, draw the diagram for weld crack, write the causes and remedial action. Again same for undercut, same for spatter, same for porosity, and so on. And then go to internal welding defects. Okay, please don't change the pattern. Okay, so it should be definition, diagram, causes, remedial action. Okay, so you have to do the assignment within today before 6 p.m. and submit it around 6 p.m. Okay, I'll fix the deadline as 6 p.m. today for your attendance. Thank you.